Hello and welcome to another Stephen and Alona's Adventures. This time we've gone to Wales, Snowdon. This was recorded back in June, and we went up the piggy track. No, not the piggy track, the pig track. We walked up from the car park.
But you had to pre-book it.
Yeah, it's much easier because you can literally park at the beginning of the tracks, and then, like I said, we went up pig track. As you can see, we're walking along a reasonably flat section here. It was a nice dry day, as you can see. Wasn't too hot. Nice bit of cloud cover keeping us cool. You can see down there is one of the lakes.
This was our first one to climb. Oh look, that's Snowdon, that's where we're heading. As you can see, it's still quite a way. But it's such a pretty walk, it really is, it's amazing. It's just breathtaking views constantly. Like you said, this was our first time. And I think it says that it takes 3 or 4 hours to do it. Well, for us it took a bit longer. Also because I kept stopping, taking pictures.
Hundreds and hundreds of pictures. There you go, you can see just behind my head, that's like the top of Crypt Quok, is it like? Yeah. Forgive me if I'm saying it wrong. And there's the path we've come behind us. And down there, the white path you can see just by the lake is
the miner's path.
Yeah, thank you, the miner's path.
That's where we came back.
Oh, there we go. There's Snowdon again in the picture. As you can see, it gets a bit lumpy underfoot.
Yeah, it was 3 days before our wedding. I had beautiful fake nails done, which is really not good for trying to climb a mountain.
But we did it.
We did.
Without any nail damage. So why I'm being such a gentleman, you see. Oh, and that's the where the pink arrow is pointing to. You can't see it really very well, but that is the descent for the miners track. that's the second smaller lake which you come down to. Then after that it's all pretty flat back to the car park. We'll show some of that later on in the video. To be fair, the path is pretty well maintained, considering where it is. Obviously, it's thousands upon thousands of people come here each year, probably even more this year than normal. But it's a thoroughly good day, and it's it is really enjoyable. Kind of looks like a heart, doesn't it, that lake?
Yes, it does. This path looks more terrifying on the pictures than in live. It wasn't this steep.
Yeah, it does make it look quite horrendous, but it's not that bad. It's, if we can do it, most people can.
Yes. Not gonna lie, it was really tiring.
But good fun. Because to be fair, the only walk we'd done before this was what was the name of that place?
Just on the island.
Yeah, what was the name of that woods? Yeah, we had a little walk around of Borford Copse or something. It's where they have all the bluebells and the Isle of Wight. And that's all we did before this.
Just to try out our new walking boots.
But as you can see, it hasn't rained because there's no streams or anything running down there. So
we got quite lucky because we planned this. We planned the climb for the Saturday, but we couldn't book the car park. It was already fully booked, so we had to book it for Sunday. And actually, it turned out to be Sunday was the better day.
Yeah, because I believe the Saturday before this it was raining. Because we were trying to get to the tipping stone somewhere else in Snowdon, and we couldn't. We had to turn back. I think it's the tipping stone. Is it? No. Near Turfan. As you can see, there's lots of people doing it, so you're never alone.
When did we start? We didn't start too late. 9ish?
I think so, yeah. As you can see, this is a bit going up to Snowdon. My appalling camera action. There you go. You can see this bit's just all about steps. So all about the steps. This is tiring and hard work. As you're walking up this and walking back down, you come across these people who are doing it as a run, and they basically run all the way up, and they then turn around and run all the way back down again. Don't know if I caught any on cameras, but they're crazy.
Yeah, this is the bit where the fake nails are not the best choice.
Yeah. This is where you have to climb up a bit of a rocky ascent. There you go, you can see the two lakes again. And there we go, we're letting more people pass us. Little fun fact there, see those sunglasses I was wearing there? They've got the date of our wedding written on.
Yeah, we made it specially for this trip.
And if you watch any of our paddleboarding videos, you'll see us wearing these same glasses. Ah, here we go. We're at the this is at top now, walking beside the train track.
I think that's where all the paths meet before.
I think most of them do. I think there's another one, isn't there? The Rangers one, or the one that comes the other side. But the train wasn't running because of COVID, so everyone had to walk up here today. Obviously, you got the different paths up here. But sadly, because the train wasn't running, it means the cafe wasn't open. In the distance there, you can see Crib Grok, and that's the path we came up.
That's why we were waiting. I think we queued for about half an hour. It wasn't too long.
I don't think it was half an hour, was it?
Maybe 20 minutes.
It wasn't too long. If it was a long time, we wouldn't have bothered.
We would have, because that was our first time. We wanted to take a picture.
Okay, we would have. But we didn't queue for that long, to be fair. We're just doing some photo ops up here.
Oh yeah, we especially had the two flags.
The Hungarian and English flag, just so we could put it up there. Sorry, the Union Jack flag. Not the English, the Union Jack. There's the lakes where we're heading to next. That's going alongside the miners' path. It was very cold up there, to be fair, but obviously it's quite high up, it would be cold, but...
Yeah, going up there was really hot.
This is the miners' path, coming back by the lakes. That's where we were a minute ago. You can see these two lakes from it. That's the peak of Snowdon up there. You can see this is just coming across this beautiful lake. I believe it's a reservoir actually. I think you can you walk past a pipe later on. So. But as you can see, it's just absolutely stunning scenery. As you can see, the weather picked up got a bit brighter and sunnier later on in the day. I don't know, this was probably around about 3-4ish. And on the miners' track they've got these buildings, which are obviously something to do with mining.
This one is a much easier path than the big one.
Yes, you just have lots more steps at the end because obviously you have to get up to the big track and then up to sorry, up to Snowdon. So there's a lot of steps up.
beautiful.
So I think it was 2 days after this we got married, wasn't it? Yeah, we left the next day.
That's a nice day. And then,
Well,
yes.
actually got married.
Yeah, it was 2 days before.
And well, that purple arrows pointing is where we started the video. Sadly, we didn't get any of the going up to that bit on the other side from the car park.
Or coming down.
Or coming down. But if you look at our website, there'll be photos on there at some point showing photos up. Thousands which Lorena took. And coming back down again. There's our website, stephenandalona.co.uk. There you go, that's the end, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe.